Siawa something in Tuka we now when we.
When you're the pesca, Ubenyas can also
I'm going to blast you. Asia, we are Henna now assassin to Galamse was soon swinging us a new call. No way Jimmy say na me catch was a Jimmy night, Namo Munya Galamse na say, oh dear Henna.
Social media sensation Trini Jonas versus Nana Asante Hene Otumfo Osei Tutu the second Nana me bought me moase and say I am bloody because a lot of summons and a lot of cases flying from people around Ghana who are calling Trini Jonas to come and apologize to Nana Otumfo for disrespecting and for saying certain things about the king of Asante Kingdom. What he has said, so over Ghana, even in Africa, the Asante Kingdom is regarded as one of the best kingdoms in the world. So Trini Jonas, a lot of people have said, has no right to throw insults at Nana Otumfo Osei to the second Asante Hene, and then this has generated a lot of social media reaction. But what really sparked all this? Then I could find somewhere near, but why is Trini Jonas in court with Otumfo, and now why are people saying was Trini Jonas apologize to Otumfo? And some time ago, Otumfo kind of speech, and all cause he had a lot to say about Galamsey, but then paper now now speech now was already he was being told not to mention people involved in Galamsey and all of that. He was being told not to say any other thing apart from say or be really crata na edani nim when Trini Jonas and Fanny Lively and then baby na ebetudwa na odi Otumfo say to atem ya na enya sem kiti obekwa akohwe Otumfo video na answer na no mamemfa as dakese Emma Dr. Amuzu pennies doctor ko Dr. Amuzu aso bibia so be kama ma onansa o mema mo ayem round to me boy juma bibia aye slow what you say Michelle. Call the numbers on your screen. Go to Dr. Amuzu. Send a bear also bet me esi with Adam Mubim. Reason for young questions are Otumfo video we. Ye ba e be kwa kwhwe Trini Jonas reaction.
Enra regional minister ne meba Jina Pomba e no mu say na na e pa choya kan de work rata no so me se ma prince me kan na.
So
and this are no nim say bia me kan sem fufuro bia e den kakra.
So So
as I said no crane me catch e wo say Galamsey ya ye kan nyina dem ha me chemu ye ne ye chemu se me ya yi wo ha ne chemu miensa emu be 30% ni mo ma ye Galamsey ni nyina
so
ye ne e te dem hey si agie ho akini a ye chemu emu be 30% na eni mo ma ye Galamsey
so
na ya anka no kre no a ye be dada ye ho ye be ye conference ya be ha say me che ya wo mo be ye Galamsey ade
so
ba ko se nananmo ne twa asase ne maye
so
wo kan wo ye nim ha
so
no mo kan na bia otu obi a wo twa asase o de ye Galamsey bia wo so wa ye Galamsey bia wo so wa ubu anho fo se wa ye bone
so
uko krom na sampa so dia asase amase enye Galamsey na ate ho a na hini be na wudie
so
e bone
so
all right, so there you saw it. Otumfo reacting, Otumfo giving that speech and then talking about the facts it was being told to go straight to the point. No libi, no labalababa. Hono Osaka say I funny be more than 30% of or more meeting. They know people involved or people engaged in Galamsey. A lot of social media reaction by when I Trini Jonas and so I didn't know better more. Now all said they be at Otumfo wanyadi. Only bibi sana. I was so people involved. You have to mention their names. What he say? Basically, was saying say Otumfo was a coward. He threw a lot of insults and tantrums at the Asante Hene. When I'm for Bibrina and Fanny Lively with Trini Jonas, the social media sensei. Bekwa kwhwe sa video na brana okay kan nsem ache Nana Asante Hene. Otumfo say to the second Nana Nyankwada mesa bomi mu asibiem. What he say? Enti bekwa kwhwe Trini Jonas video no na me kai mo say ladder for say bro almost say ladder It's basically a transport application and a transport service. All you have to do is to download the ladder application on your phone. So ABI App Store and Google Play Store. Baby obenya ladder application. Obeka ladder for your transport. ABI up transportation with comfort. What you see security, safety there and the ladder. Yonkoti Twini Jonas Abrana or Blast Nana Asante Hene.
Abrondi mbedi ba me so me ba bedi matem me fa mo medi matem asiafo asiawa Asante Hene ti wuka we na wani wi se ukru wora wo ye ohene mu ana emwa ya omudi omugu asie onyina ahye wase ubetimi ama command we your hen no ato asase a for musika komo mo stop galamsey ne nyine ya no anu simple as ABC just talk solution talk wase de ni say as a leader you talk solution that's it you give order simple nya fe na ade nwan na mu di akira nyina mu nyina mu ye galamsey ne bi na you nim say mu nyina mu nim mo mu ye gala na he dai premple stop it Namude monwa isa obia who go Dubai now go the holiday to say Dubai nya country o it is Kumasi. Dubai is United Arab Emirates. The America chono capital city Abu Dhabi and Ghana capital city Accra second capital city Kumasi and Abu Dhabi second capital city United Arab Emirates capital second capital city and Dubai and now hene a what one why you couldn't see ama aye fena wo sorry ana ofefo se me go Dubai aba wo de ukrom ho Kumasi won tontom ku nipa no ti ukra na say government ne pressure any kwa say odo ho hihye mwa we government nko agimifo no we say ukra na nka wo pressure Jimmy Faso bia ni so we nyina nkonwa ye de nua na ye tena so free special way of akonwa tena so free senka ukra na abo government in pressure and ma government bia amfa letter me show self na mo fa ma otumfo nkan regional minister kron ni Jimmy opeso no abetwa ntro no amagira nka aya serious enya agrobio anya good year bio Jimmy ne ache too much 64 years nipa enya nsuo nom nipa enya nsuo sansuo we wo de ma krom hakramanya you go to jail 20 years wo de sansuo na Ghana for esa nom na emma nkramanya okrom ha you go to jail for 20 years I'm telling you.
Okay, so after this blast from Twini Jonas nefa henen so eden sembe na ebetu dwa na all kase no Twini Jonas wrong. He has no right because even in Ghana no we regard and respect our leaders a lot. Twini Jonas had no right throwing all those things Nana Asante Hene Otumfo Osei Tutu the second into ono de na also Twini Jonas emra na on the part Jordan Sembebri etu dwa abra na all kasa afa Twini Jonas didi atama na odema Otumfo no yebekwa akotie Nana nefa hene na answer na no mamemfa as the BM 21st clinic say bra omwaso ye bibia nso be kama ama o article when it comes to say ye use be minro dey say area no niama na ma ekeka on there none other compares to 21st clinic. They've been tried, they've been verified, and of course they've been tested. They have branches across the length and breadth of Ghana. Therefore yenkoti nefa hene nemra
Twini Jones asama wana onimu a ohwena penefo de bu bebi say said de o chiri kodwan okotefu a wanfa etuo no jefu amono so okohenyo a o fajo baby a wo bia no oheba media o tebonka no beka say on fa de munati no twa dwajo if say wakanto kwa kese Asante Hene na wo kaseti ano susum wo no wote wo media na me na metene nka na me ka je say o siri dadam biom ade a ebeto no mai na ya na emnante aba no mitu omfo say mo hwe yi o na Asante di Asante ne bibia ye bibi na woni hwan mekura abetie wo yonko ne me enti o hwe yi de wo de sa ka no so one pass pa bia nka wan tu wana mo ene ne kire ya bo hu de besie babu mu o se yemfa ni di ese fata e man panifo wo hwe yi ya na wo mo se ye na trendy na say trendy na mbusa ba kubi ono so evangelist no wa America na o hini ba media da ma o frɛ me am ne kasa e na mbusa say dia wo ye no wo pa kire say wo say yes ano a na trendy wo ne de pesika wo benya sika no so behye sika no behye na yade akura bɛbɔ wɔ no sika biya ne wɔbɛtima akota yade no enti saa twene dwo so no minim ba bi ofire sɛ wɔyɛ Ghana ni onye Ghana ni wɔyɛ asantini wɔnyɛ asantini wɔyɛ nyame abɔde de de bɛka sɛ wɔhwɛ yie na wɔhwɛ yie a de bɛba no ɛnyɛ papa ma no.
Okay, so that was the final na Odensem baby na to Jana winner senior man bi so I mean ni baby ofri ono nso say ono de on tenasema twini juna send disrespect otumfo on tenasema twini juna send disrespect Asante man because he had no right saying whatever I said to otumfo and then Asante man and I'm more info na ekeka ono so ono so the problem nya no ono ebe boy twini Jonas dia on say Ghana had yes obi bold ya no octa snap no octa kosiane ne amaniama ekeka on na ode nsem bebre na abetudwa wabru ndia na enya sam kitwa na ndia we de mi nim bebi a twini Jonas betumi akoda ne ndia we na amafo nso bisa se antwa to me call US na antwa edu awo bremu antwa betumi well there's been a lot of misreaction on social media said diabo we betumi ayejuma no mpo de nsem a kan say once twini Jonas ebe step Ghana de diabo we enya na besa akohwe sa video no na mesa kam say our union say broma so ye bibia so be kama ama our union say sesia de ope oba ya tete no nyamesum mu oba nyamesho woni mu look no further all you have to do is to visit www.ourunion.com follow the processes follow the procedure na also bibia kama ama you find the right person the right man or woman made in heaven just for your perfect match as I keep saying it was for yenko ti nsema na audio aboni mumra Okay, so that was na winner Twini Jonas so ya no say no mu di agro na bia wo besimi anya me na mo antwane kraro ya be hia no ne me a meto you so Twini Jonas said and so we relate to you see these are sensitive issues but then sometimes it's funny you understand you have to get the humor side of it what is happening with Diaboni Niamaniama because some people have also said Twini Jonas is right with whatever he's saying but then I thought that it did attempt or too far and then others have also said Ghana penny fund the third atem and to me push your but then whatever the case is so bet me aside with Trini Jonas bet me aside the abona ya born na we na Trini Jonas me maintain hwe iPhone no munyai sebi munyai niamoye no what you say niama na enkoye no ensem ni buwa me ntumi nka what you say so we na Trini Jonas abe react to the abona ya born no say omra no be port for actually and all of that also on the ezezia the odi didi atempa and e ba be kun because my imagine say munya ready say umbe ni ese because in so ni bi Ghana ha I say any yellow ni green ni amane about heaven no there what you say so anything because the phone there near no like entry so Trini Jonas has been reacting to all of that your question video him right about to us
me fa ho me di mate opa munia bro I'm going to blast you me fa ho ni obi Jimmy enti wa wo si usuro bia ya mu hihye wo se makodi obi atemesro wonya wo sa ye wa na wa Jimmy no anya wo sa e ma oyam bia hihye wo Basia, me American asem no kura me yam hihye me na wo awutie na yam bashi. O ma Jimmy nipa wa Jimmy no no nim ne ho so wa Jimmy. Wo reason ade ba bech. Wo de ba betata Jonas. A reason say Jonas say ye wadwuma ya o se be betata. We nyansani. Every 1 minute be aban ba sinam. E wo heaven. Asia wo ye ohene na asase ye tu galamse wo so nsuo ni nyina ase ani ko. Taxi ya e bai. Ni kala kura ye white chair wa nsuo a na momentum. Na unsu ani ya yellow call no wa Jimmy say na me catch you say Jimmy na mo munya galamsey na wo say odi ohena tem na ohene be na woni mi nyansa wo be hwese ye ntwen ye ma ni kurom nsu nyina nsa na ohene no I'm sorry you are sick wo yare I gotta tell you eti ohene bia ye involved in galamsey bia wo mo say Ghana nsu a wa fe kurom fo nyansu no bia ohene kro ye kwasia I'm telling you Anya fe na beto se bibia wa Jimmy. We yare, you are sick. You are ill. Or hini bia the whole country. Wa koton assassin. Am ye di tu galamsey. Every 1 minute bia by mas. Wa di animu every 1 minute bia by mas. Am ye sensuo every 1 minute bia by mas.
Okay, so that was Trini Jonas' reaction. Ain't he? For so far, no. Otum for ne Trini Jonas case no I bloody. We don't know say Ebi Amensha ebe saman Trini Jonas. Now I don't know how this is going to happen. Is Mensha going to use their influence to the American embassy or something? Can they really summon Trini Jonas to Mensha and about the pouch and all of that? Is Trini Jonas right? And I thought that it goes overboard with the kind of things he says. Trini Jonas say on Tim Case guy is going to kill you with insults. What he said. Shadawale say kill them with prayer. Trini Jonas said or say is going to kill you guys with insults. Well, whatever the case, we'll be following and then I'll bring you updates as when it arrives. So as when the need arises. So for a Ghana page. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, of course, on YouTube Ghana page. Follow us across social media: Facebook, GHP News, Instagram, GHP News, Twitter, GHpage_com. Bet me a follow at www.ghpage.com. So for your friend Gypsum, bet me a friend with MC General Nana Asante Hene Otumfo will say to the second. The bomb wants to be away bus.
Download Ladder Driver now. Ladder, your safest ride to your destination. Improve your life with Ladder Driver. Drive Ladder, live better. Download Ladder Driver now. Ladder, we drive you safely.